Ku, ro, with a dot. All right, let's say it together. Ku, ro. All right, that accent. When someone gives you a Yoruba literature to read or book, then you see the accent, you'll be able to read it. You may not be able to understand what they're saying yet, but at least because you know the accent, you'll be able to read it out, right? And then gradually you start to understand what it means. Aro is morning. So good morning, right? Eku son. This accent is going up. This one is going down. Left is down, right is up, right? So let's say that together. Eku son. And the real spelling is osan, right? Let me put accent on that one. Oh, son, right? But when you are calling them together with other words, they compress it. Yoruba will compress the words to say ekason. So if you're talking to somebody, you just meet them now and just say ekason, right? You eliminate this U, right? And then you replace it with this whole word. So you just say ekason, right? And that's just a quick way of saying the word without stressing. So osan is the word, real word, but because of compression, the words are compressed together, you just say ekason, right? Okay. Dara dara. Is that Olurotimi? Right? Dara dara. Say dara dara. Dara. I need to hear your voice. Speak like Yoruba. Yoruba will speak with the whole mouth. Dara dara. Right. Dara dara. You see the accent? Da. This one neutral. Ra. Da. Ra. What is now left is the down tone is not existing here, so you don't have to say it. And we compress this one. For daily usage, we just say da da, right? How are you doing? Da da. Is everything okay? Yes, everything is fine. Da da, good, right? So you can use this anywhere, anytime. Say, báwo ni o? Da da ni. Da da ni, I'm fine, right? And ni is a word that expresses to become, or it is. It is. It is anything. So ni, neutral, no accent on the ni, right? Dadani, dadani, omuni, it is, right? So when you hear Yoruba say that, they are referring to something. It is, dadani. And then the do re mi and the do mi so. This one is easy for everybody, and then this one is the real reason why these accents are sounding that way, right? So I want you to say do,
Do.
re. You see, it sounds like calm water. Re. This is how you use visual representation to know how this sounds like. Mi is going up to the right, right? Anytime you see an accent going that way, it's going up. So the way you sound it out will sound up, not down. So do will be always down. You know, like dodo. Have you eaten dodo before? Dodo. Fried plantain. Do. right? Akara. Akara. Down, 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 right? When I say akara, that is neutral. And there's nothing like akara in Yoruba language. Maybe it exists, I'm not sure. That's Yoruba. If I want to use this, I will say koyemi. Right? It sounds musical. Koyemi. It sounds musical, but this one is like 3-tone drums. One sounds heavy, one sounds neutral, and one sounds high. Do, mi, so, do, da, da, do, 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 da, da, do, 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 da, do, da, do, da, do, do, da, do, da, do, do. You see how it sounds? That's how Yoruba was sound. And you only need to know 3. You don't need to know 7 or 10, only 3. So it shouldn't be difficult for you to learn the 3 tones. One is neutral, it sounds like calm water. The 2 is, one is down, one is up. All right? So let's move on. We already did this, right? And then we already did Oruko, meaning, this one has no accent on it, this one has no accent on it. Oruko meaning one accent only in this whole phrase. So we're gonna say this again with your name up front, right there, right? So Rotimi, let's go. Very good. Rotimi, not Rotimi. You must pronounce it right. If your friends are saying Rotimi, no, that's not the pronunciation. It's Rotimi. Stay with me. Stay by me. That's what your name means. And it's a long one. Is that Oluwa Rotimi, right? God stays with me. That's what your name means. So pronounce it correctly when your friends are asking you the correct pronunciation. Oruko mini. Next. Dupe. Very good. You know, and you say your name. So, where do you live? This is how friendship starts, right? You're not asking, where do you live? If she's not really your friend, you say, why are you asking me about that stuff? What do you want to know, right? Nibo ni onbe. Everybody say Nibo ni onbe. This ni word is so common in Yoruba speech. And the ni is telling you something about somewhere, right? And it say somewhere in that town. Nibo ni onbe, where do you live, right? I live in, now say this with me, Monbe. Ni. You say this M is talking about you. In English too, M-E, right? Me, right? Me, M-I is for the Yoruba. When you say me, that's me. Same thing. Monbe ni. And then you mention it. Where are you from? Let's say it together. Nibo, ni, o, ti, wa. This ni is pointing to where. Where is it? Right? Nibo ni, where? So Nibo is also saying where. It's a question. Anytime you see Nibo, that is where question. You are okay. Let's say mom asks you to bring her bag from the room, and then you get to the room. You didn't see the bag, and then you go back to your mom and say Nibo ni, Nibo ni. How do you finish that? Nibo ni egbe bag yẹn sí. right? Níbo ni bag yẹn wà? Where is the bag? Níbo ni? And then your mom say, wo apá ọ̀tún yẹn near the bed or something, and then you go there and then you find it, right? Níbo ni o ti wá? Okay. I am from, let's say this together. Mo wá láti. Mo, neutral, nothing there. Wá, up. La, up. Ti, neutral. Alright? So this is how you will remember how to pronounce it correctly when you remember the accent on top of that, right? My mother is from Ilesha. Ìyá mi wá láti Ilesha, right? Or ìyá mi wá láti Detroit. Alright? Let's say together. Ìyá mi wá láti neutral here. So la wá láti change to neutral. And that neutral sound, I express it as a calm surface of